Okay, good evening.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. Sorry. Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, so that's great. Okay, so for today, let us have this one. Okay, let us talk about shopping. Do you like to shop? Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Wow, that's very good. If you like shopping. Okay, then. Okay, where is it? Wait, me to know. I already downloaded it. Download? Day, nara ba to'y kuan dira, Day? Hi. Now you wait me to ano ha? The internet is very slow. Hmm. Okay, Magkano lang no? Ano ni dade? Eh, no, unsa ni? Ha? I don't know unsa ni. Dito. Wa ko kabaw. Hali. Tane. Hadis. Ay, kung ano, saya, ano yung
Kaon. Kung isa pa sayan.
Why did we eat the chocolate again?
Come on.
No.
Thế nào? Áo bị ướt rồi. Không đổ vô.
Kaya tao ăn con được con ăn cái món.
Wah.
Sige, pupuli.
Okay, I will use another developing toner because developing 18 is so loading.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I will use 27 about personality.
Like, looking mo. Last ang Pinoy.
What type of personality are you? Are you kind? Are you stubborn? That your mom will always tell you, oh no, don't be mad. I'm so mad now. Are you the kind of uh are you the kind of person like that?
I feel this. Yes.
Aga. You are? Ito na. Okay, so you are that kind of person or you are behave? Your parent doesn't have problem with you or what? What is your personality?
Personality.
You are what?
Can you give me a
Example?
example?
Like you are kind. You always understand. Okay? Sometimes I am stubborn teacher. I am hard-headed. I don't understand my dad. Okay, like that. Are you that kind of personality?
I think yes.
So now, okay, so here we have vocabulary of some personality. Okay? So cheerful. Are you cheerful?
Yes.
Oh, outgoing.
I'm going cheerful.
Okay. Are you competitive?
Never. I don't really competitive.
Okay, competitive this one. Are you competitive?
No, I not really.
Okay, not really. Okay, are you reckless?
Yes. I think it's sometime ordinarily.
Okay, polite. Are you polite?
Yes. The chair always light.
Considerate. Like you always consider if you have problem, if your dog or your mom has a problem, you always consider. Are you that kind of person? Considerate?
Scenery. Where is it?
Listen,
Ah,
listen.
okay. Considery. I usually and or often and considery is some as some word at work.
Okay, so you are. Okay. Okay. Reliable. Are you reliable? This one.
Reliable. I yes. I think myself is reliable.
You are reliable. Okay, when example, your friend needs you. So you are with them. They can rely on you. You will help them like that. Okay, next one. Ambitious. Are you ambitious, Tono?
I think sometimes not really. Not
Okay. Are you emotional?
emotional. No, I don't emotional that.
Oh, I'm not emotional. Okay. How about careless?
I careless. Sometime I careless.
Okay, sometimes you're careless. Shy. Are you shy?
Yes. I when I will go to environment new environment. I very shy.
Okay, I am very shy. Okay, like chatty. Are you chatty?
Chatty. Not really.
Like you always chat. You're chatty.
It's not really.
Okay. Are you moody?
Moody. I think sometime.
Okay, I think sometimes. Okay, hardworking Tono. Are you hardworking type of person?
Yes.
Okay, independent. Are you independent?
Yes. I I independent.
Okay, like selfish.
Share it. I don't share this very much.
Okay, next. Okay, creative.
Yes, I creative because I really like art. I'm
Okay.
drawing.
Okay, because you like art and you are creative. I am creative. Okay, how about impatient? Are you impatient? Like you cannot wait. Oh, I want this teacher. I want this to happen. You cannot wait. Are you impatient?
I think
Sorry.
is often or usually.
Okay, open or usually. How about kind? Are you kind?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Sensitive. Are you sensitive?
Yes. I usually attentive.
Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have here, Tono, different personality. Oh, as you can see, we have different personality to describe character and personality. Okay, look at that one. Okay. Okay. So here is some of the grammar. We have Gerunds after prepositions. Okay, we have this. You can use gerund as the object of preposition. Okay, look at this. We can go to the movie instead of watching TV. The gerund here is off. So, no, sorry. Preposition is off. The gerund here is watching. Verb plus ing, we call it gerund. Okay? We can go to the movie instead of watching TV. Okay. Thanks for asking. For preposition, asking is gerund. They believe in being honest. Okay, in is preposition, being is gerund. Okay, don't use an infinitive as the object of preposition. Okay, don't use infinitive as the object of preposition. Okay. So we have here. Okay. Don't use an infinitive as the object of preposition. Not we can go to the movie instead of to watch movie. So do not use this one. Because to is preposition. That's example of preposition tono. And of is another preposition. So it means two preposition. So we will not say we can go to the movie instead of to watch movie. Okay, that is wrong. Okay, so this is infinitive to watch movie. That is wrong. Okay, so again, preposition of, for, in. Object of prepositions or the gerund, we have watching, asking, and being. Do you understand or no?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here. So please try to listen to the conversation, then complete statement with color and the adjective emotion.
Page 77. Exercise E. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations. Then complete each statement with the color and the adjective of emotion. Listen again, if necessary, to check your work. Conversation 1.
I'm getting a new car. What color do you think I should get?
Well, what about yellow?
Yellow?
Yeah, yellow's a happy color.
Okay, again. I'm sorry.
Conversation 2.
Tomorrow's my first day at the new job. What do you think I should wear?
Something cheerful.
What about a nice blouse and my blue suit?
Just right.
Conversation 3.
Does this red chair come in a different color?
Certainly, sir. What color would be better?
Well, something a little calmer. Red makes me nervous.
Conversation 4.
Look at those great shoes.
Are you kidding? The purple and green ones?
Yup. What's wrong with purple and green? I think they're exciting.
Yeah, if you're a kid. You should be wearing something more conservative, like brown.
How depressing.
Okay, you done? Okay, one more. I will let you again listen. Okay, one more.
Page 77. Exercise E. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations. Then complete each statement with the color and the adjective of emotion. Listen again, if necessary, to check your work. Conversation 1.
I'm getting a new car. What color do you think I should get?
Well, what about yellow?
Yellow?
Yeah, yellow's a happy color.
Conversation 2.
Tomorrow's my first day at the new job. What do you think I should wear?
Something cheerful.
What about a nice blouse and my blue suit?
Just right.
Conversation 3.
Does this red chair come in a different color?
Certainly, sir. What color would be better?
Well, something a little calmer. Red makes me nervous.
Conversation 4.
Look at those great shoes.
Are you kidding? The purple and green ones?
Yup. What's wrong with purple and green? I think they're exciting.
Yeah, if you're a kid. You should be wearing something more conservative, like brown.
How depressing.
Okay, teacher.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. He thinks yellow is a happy color. Okay, number 2, please read number 2 and answer.
The blue shirt is really right.
She thinks, number 2, she thinks
The blue shirt is will be right.
she think the blue suit will be cheerful. Okay, cheerful, happy to see. Okay, number 3, he thinks the red chair will make him nervous. If I can see red chair, I will become nervous. Okay, 4, she doesn't like brown shoes. She thinks they are depressing. Okay. Okay. 2. Okay. So this is it. Okay, next one. Please complete the statement with the correct preposition. You can choose the prepositions here 4. Okay, but there are 5. You can repeat your answer. You can repeat your answer from here. Okay.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so number 1, okay, about extrovert, don't worry about talking in public. Extrovert, Tono, it means people who loves to talk. They are extroverts. They don't feel shy. Okay, they believe, okay, in being honest, and they get bored,
Guys,
okay, with being alone. Okay, they may talk about staying home and reading book, but when they do, they complain about having no one to talk to. They object to being by themselves. They object to being by themselves. Okay, let me see. Correct, correct. About. Okay, so about, okay, 5. Being by themselves. Okay, so you've got 2 mistakes. Okay, that's good enough as an answer. Okay, what personalities do you have? Okay, what personalities do you have, Tono?
I think it's maybe, but
Okay.
I usually cheerful.
Cheerful. Okay. Now, what is your strength? What is your strength?
Creativity.
Okay, it is creativity. Okay. Now, you are creative because you love to draw. You love to do art, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is your weakness? What is your weakness?
My business. I think too little introverted.
Okay. How your personality change when you grow up? How your personality change when you grow up?
I think is moody.
Moody. Why you become moody now?
Moody now. When I was moody now is sometime, but before is often or rarely. Now is sometime or usually.
Okay, sometimes or usually. Okay. Okay. Are you an optimist or pessimist? Okay, when you say optimist, it means positive. Okay, positive. When you say pessimist, it means negative. Okay, again, when you say optimists, that is positive. When you say pessimists, it means negative. So are you optimist or pessimist?
I think it's pessimistic because I don't have anything to talk about, and I don't like to talking.
Okay. Describe the personalities of your best friend that you should mention. Okay. What are the personalities of your best friend? Do you have best friend?
Yes.
Okay. So what is, okay, like this, huh? What the good points are. Okay. You write here beside. You write here beside the good points of your best friend. And what do you like with her or him? And which of these things they do most give their personality? Okay.
Okay.
What are the good points of your best friends? You
The
think-
good part of
Yes.
they are often he often sharing.
Okay. They often sharing. Who share? By the way, who is your best friend?
Messi or Nhi.
Okay, Messi or Nhi. Okay. So how old is Messi, by the way?
Messi or Nhi has one good point has one good point is sharing, but sometimes they're selfish.
Okay. Okay, so Nhi is another another best friend of yours.
Yes.
Okay, what do you like about Nhi? Or what do you like about Messi?
I like about how she is sharing or her buy food for me and Messi play games with me.
Okay.
Em ở trong nắng trời mưa không ngon không mặc rồi trong hót.
Okay. Which of the things that they do most give their personality? Which of the things they do? Okay, for you. Okay, which of the things that they do for you? Like teacher. Okay, they're showing good to me. Okay, what of the things that they do for you?
Of me, I think she's multi time before and Messi, I think not train the personality.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Messi's, what is Messi's personality that makes you think he is your best friend?
I think he is a very friendly and cheerful, and sometimes he is silly.
Okay, sorry. Miss is silly sometimes. How about me? What do you think that you like me? Oh, I like me, teacher, because me is very friendly. Funny. Okay.
Me funny, but I think she often moody and Henry don't have any question. I think she usually and often angry. But I like sometimes she buy food for me.
Okay. Okay, so here. So another thing for the last question. So what are the things to know that you will gonna do for your best friend? Like example, you will gonna say, Teacher Ann, I will be a good best friend for Tono. Teacher Ann, I will do my best so that Messi will not get angry to me. Okay, what are those?
I do. I think I do play games with Messi or go walk with him around the town.
Okay, so you don't like to play a game with Messi.
Yes.
Okay. But sometimes Messi is good. Messi is funny
Yeah.
boy. Okay,
Yes.
and also me. Okay, do you play often with me?
Yes. She me is friendly than is more friendly than Messi because she because I think she buy food for me or play spend any time for me and the house, Nghi Hao is not very is it's not very far from my house. Messi
Okay.
is very far from, and I often met him.
Okay, do you always go to Mrs. house or no?
No.
Sometimes?
Sometimes I think rarely.
Okay. So, like, how
Because
often? Okay, wait me, ha? Wait me, Tono. Jake. Okay. So, how often Tono go to your house? No, me go to your house, Tono.
Nghi house, I usually or often and go to Nghi Hao because after summer class, I will go to Nghi house, and Messi Hao is very far from home.
Your house.
I want to go to his house. I I go I go across the bridge.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Tono, Messi's house is far from your house.
Yes.
So, you
I
have to cross the
very
bridge first.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, that's what.
After
Yeah, but how about Miss house? How about Miss house?
Nghi Hao is not far or very far. It's not very far from because my school is near her house, and and after school I can go to her house. If my parents can go late.
Okay. So if your parents go home late, you will go to Miss house.
Yes.
That's very good. So you're best friends. Okay. So that's good for you, Tono. Okay. So, okay. What other personality, Tono, that you are looking for? Looking for, huh? That you are looking for in a friend. That you want in a friend. What personality?
I want Nghi Don would be Don sometime would be and I want Messi keep friendly then and don't silly again because I
Okay.
think he's silly always silly.
Okay, that's it. Okay. So yeah. So one of the personality that you want in a friend is kind or funny. What is that? You want a friend who is funny or you want a friend who is kind?
I want him be kind and Don Woody and Percy. I think he don't silly yet.
Okay. Okay. So everyone, Tono really wants to have a friend. A friend who will gonna tell you everything. A friend who will be there for you even though you are not in a good conditions. You are sad. You have problem. Okay, a best friend should be there. Okay, remember that one. Okay? Yes. Okay, I hope someday when you grow up, you can find that kind of person, that kind of friend. Okay. I hope me and Messi will not change. Okay?
Hey,
Because I know, Tono, you are a very good girl. Okay? I know you're a very good girl. So, Tono, teacher Anne will say goodbye. And I will see you when again? Friday?
on Friday.
Yeah.
5 p.m.
See you on Friday. Wait, 5 p.m. Okay, thank you, Tono. Bye-bye. God bless.